All right, so good morning, traders. Winston Kutsia, aka Mr. Mayor Forex Trading on Facebook. It's called Forex Hangout. All right, so today is, of course, Wednesday, the 1st of February 2023. The time now is 9:30 South African time in the morning. All right, so yesterday I spoke about this trade, the Aussie USD. I was in this trade and I had the feeling that it's going to come to you and start shooting back up. So as it got to there, I got out the trade. I think it was a $9 profit or something like that I made there. It came down, it made a nice long wick. So I thought, okay, it's a nice long wick. I wanted to jump back in there in this trade again. I wanted to jump in there, but I thought to myself, you know what? Rather not. And reason being why I'm not doing any trades, I've got no trades open, I closed all my trades, is for this one simple fact. Today's news. If you're on Forex Factory, today there is big news happening on the markets. Okay, number one, the USD non-farm. This is usually a big game changer in how price action reacts. They've got the PMI on the US dollar, which is absolutely the jolts. FOMC, the federal funds rate, the rate decisions, the press conference. There is such a huge amount of things happening today, especially with the euro as well. You know, it's the CPI. There is such a huge amount that's going to happen today. Big news, PMI. It is absolutely today. The markets are going to be all over the show. So that's why I decided to close all my trades, and I'll wait for the news to pass. I'll wait for all this because this is all big news that is going to happen today. And believe you me, I do not want to be anywhere near trading when big news like this is going to happen. Yeah, also tomorrow as well, we've got the Bank of England, the monetary policy. That is what the BOE stands for, is Bank of England. It's the bank rates, it's monetary policies. It is big news. So my honest opinion for today and tomorrow, I'm not going to do any trading whatsoever. I'll look at Friday, and maybe if I see something good, you see, but there is also the non-farm. No, I don't think I'm going to trade for the rest of the week. I'm just going to stay out of it and then see Monday and start trading Monday again. But yeah, for me, this week is going to be one hell of a big week. So, and you know, I've got time. I'm going to wait for price to break through this supply and demand zone, because that's what it should do. It should break through this supply and demand zone. I'll wait for it to come back for a retest in the zone, and then I'll put a buy order in. But this might take a couple days. So this is a trade I'm waiting for. But I'm not going to stuff around with such big news coming out and so forth. All right. So the Aussie CAD also had a nice run up yesterday. I also wanted to put the trade in there because I saw it is very close to this. Let me just zoom out so you guys can see. It is close to this, 61% retracement line. So I had the same vibe with this, to jump in this trade and take a ride up. But I'm just going to wait for all the news to be done with first before I jump in. But yeah, this is the trade I'm looking out for. And the Euro USD, I'm waiting for it to come into the zone properly. This to me is not a proper one. And you see it's forming a higher low there. So it's probably going to peak down. Let's see what the news does to the US dollar. But it should peak down into the zone and then take a stab up if the news is bad for the US dollar. But if the news is good for the US dollar, it might break through and continue down. So it's all depending on what the US dollar does. But that's the reason there's no trades open, and I'm not going to be trading the next 2 or 3 days. Not going to be doing any trading because it's a big week, and I don't like trading during news. Especially, one news event is fine, maybe 2 is fine, but a lot of them all at once, No, no, no. The markets are going to be completely upside down. So that's my trading idea for the rest of this week. If things changes, I will put a video out and I will let you guys know. But have a good one.